Hey, did you have a good Christmas? I did, I guess. I missed my regular upload this time. I don't know where to start. I have a good news that I hit 100,000 followers on Instagram. I've been chasing for that and I thought that would be super happy when I get there. Somehow I was actually down for a whole week. So now I'm doing better. What I did for last week is I just played a game, drink beer, soju. I was playing game like crazy, like 13, 14 hours without eating all day. That was actually crazy. And the day after, I felt really tired because I didn't sleep well. I played the game like 13, 14 hours and no food. That's not healthy, right? You probably wonder what I'm drinking with this bowl as a coffee. Today I'm talking about the thing, what I've been through these days. Just wanna vent it out to you, my friends. It's been 3 months since my chobar gone. Actually longer than 3 months. Almost 4 months now. Since then I was really working hard on my videos. I didn't want to break down. I didn't want to stop. I wanted to do better, be better. So I guess I tried really hard. I can't say it was my best, but I tried really hard for last 3 months to make the videos and I was fully motivated. I didn't even want to play game. I really like to play game, but I didn't want to because I wanted to make more videos instead. I was doing it for over 3 months and finally I hit 100,000 followers and I kind of broke down. Not as deep down as before, but I couldn't control myself. I was just looking for fun, no discipline, drinking, playing game, and my house become like trash can again. And I thought about that, why I feel empty when I hit my first goal. I should be happy instead. The honest answer is I was expecting too much. Like I thought if I hit 100,000 followers, I would get a lot of brand deals, make money, something like that. But it's not happening yet. Maybe that's why it made me feel empty. Yeah, that was from my greediness. I have another good news. Actually, I told you before, my Facebook monetized, so it actually paying my groceries now. So objectively, I'm in the better place. But why I cannot be satisfied? I don't think it's not a really bad thing because I want to do better. I want to be in better place. That's why I feel that. But I shouldn't let the feeling consume me. Now I'm fighting for that and I'm pretty okay. Today, finally, I did skincare and I'm going to open my foot massager that my wife sent. Finally. It's been here for like a couple of weeks or few weeks already and I didn't even open it. But now I am restarting. Another thing, I made videos for last 3 months about I'm doing good. I think I wanted to show people, oh, I'm doing well. But sometimes I just think I kept telling myself, oh, you are doing great, just keep going. You're great. Even though when I'm not okay. I kind of lost my content direction. I used to make video about how I'm thinking, how I'm doing, but these days I made videos like, oh, more explaining, oh, how to cook this, how to make this, something like that. Actually, it got less views than before. That makes me anxious, nervous, cause what if I cannot make viral videos again? What if my videos always get low views? Yeah, I've been doing this for almost 10 months now. I consider myself as a beginner still, so I need more experiences. There's always up and down, up and down. When it's down, I should try instead of feeling down. I'm still learning and today I just cleaned my kitchen, part of my living room. I haven't finished them yet, but slowly. I'm not gonna clean for 5 hours in one day. Maybe just 30 minutes a day, 20 minutes a day. Make the place cleaner and keep it clean. I really appreciate your comments. Even though I can't reply everything, but I try to read everything. Just want to say thank you. Today's talking was a little deep and heavy. If it made you feel heavy, I apologize. If I don't make this video today, I'm not sure when I'm going to make another video with happy face. So I decided to film this instead of just delay everything. Now I'm gonna do laundry. Bye.